Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a filming of me organizing my makeup collection. It's a little bit all over the place, and I have actually changed the way I've set everything up now as well. Reveal will be coming soon. With that said, I still thought you might find this video interesting, so I still put it together. Whoops, looks like the camera fell there. Is what I'm saying, it's a bit janky. But I still put it together because I thought some of you might find it interesting. So I hope you enjoy the video, and let's get into organizing. Also guys, make sure you stay till the very end of the video, as there I'm talking through how I organized it and how everything is looking, in which order and things, and you get to see my products in more depth there as well. But without that said, enjoy the video and I will catch up with you all very, very soon. Love you guys. Mwah. Ignore this. It's the only way I can manage to keep this up. So, let's start with this side. This side is mainly face. So in here, I have primers and sort of dewy drops. Next drawer, this is foundations. So these are all my foundations. Concealers and powders. So we have concealers and powders here. Highlighters on the next drawer. Bronzer and blush. Same here. We have some blush, some illuminators, and this is more body shimmers. And then in here we just kind of have lashes. That's it really. Nothing else. Mascaras. We have brow products and eye glitters, eye primer, eye things. In here we have lip glosses. So these are all glosses. Liquid lipsticks in here. This is glitter for the eyes in here. So these are loose glitters. This is my lipsticks. These are the actual lipsticks in here. So that's that. All lip pencils, eyeliners, everything for that is in here. All my brushes here. Hey Carmen. Beauty blender holder. And then, just around here I have all my setting sprays as well. So that's pretty much what I did today. I organised my makeup. So I hope you enjoyed this and it inspired you to organise yours. Bye guys!